Hey, what's up, Gomez Gang? Today we're going to talk about a question that I had on your intervention worksheet this morning. Let's take a look at it. A rectangle contains two squares as shown below. How much larger is the perimeter of the rectangle than the combined perimeters of the square? So we know that obviously that the rectangle has a larger perimeter. We need to find out by how much. Now, luckily we know that squares all have the same side lengths. So I really have four side lengths that are all 5x minus 2. That means that the perimeter of this larger square over here would be 20x once I distribute this 4 minus 4 times 2, which is 8. So my perimeter for my larger square is 20x minus 8. Over here I need to do the same thing because I have 4 sides that are 2x plus 1. 4 times 2x is equal to 8x plus 4 times 1, which is equal to 4. Now when I combine both of these perimeters, I have a total of 28x. Here it has a minus 8. Here I have a plus 4. When you combine those like terms, I just get a minus 4. That is the perimeter of both of my squares. Now, of course, that's not the only thing I need to do. I also need to do the perimeter of the rectangle. If this length is 10x minus 1, then this one is also 10x minus 1. And when you combine both of those, that means that I have a total of 20x minus 2. Now those are just the lengths. I still need to worry about the widths. If my width is 19x plus 7, then my other width is 19x plus 7. When you combine these two, you have a total of 38x plus 14. Beautiful. Now I need to add both of these up, of course, to get my perimeter. I will have a total of 58x. Here I have a plus 14 and then minus 2. When I combine those like terms, I will get to just a plus 12. So my perimeter of my rectangle, sorry if you cannot see for a second, let me move it back. The perimeter of my rectangle is 58x plus 12. Great. Now, this is where some kids might get tricked up because, hey, yeah, you know you need to add 30x, blah, 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 cool. But this minus 4 and this plus 12 is what makes this problem that much more complicated. So, yes, I do need to add 30x from the perimeter of the squares to get the perimeter of the rectangle. So I know my answer has to start with 30x. But here is the important part. When you combine minus 4 and plus 12, you would get plus 8. However, plus 8 is not the answer that I'm looking for. In reality, I need to find out how to get from minus 4 to plus 12. So if I had this on a number line, hypothetically speaking, and this is subtracting 4, and I want to get to adding 12, I need to add 4 to get to 0, and I need to add an additional 12 to get to 12. So in reality, I'm adding 16. That is the difference between negative 4 and positive 12. This is what I need to add. This 30x plus 16 is what I need to add to 28x minus 4 in order to get the perimeter of my entire rectangle. This is the difference. This is your answer. Hope you enjoyed.